Hello everyone. We will show you the application of Jiayuanda X10 ultrasonic lace machine for welding and cutting bubble bags. Compared with the traditional seam cutting method, the ultrasonic lace machine has straight and curved line cutting, no need needles and threads, etc. Ultrasonic lace machine transmits ultrasonic waves to the bubble bag welding surface through high-frequency vibration, which can quickly sew and cut the two layers of material of the bubble packaging bag, so that the packaging bag is stronger and cut flat, without burrs, beautiful and durable. Applicable materials: chemical synthetic fiber cloth, or containing chemical fiber blended cloth, chemical film, etc. Scope of application: clothing, bedding, car covers, PVE bags, etc. For more details, please follow me.